What's up, guys? It is AJ217062. In my opinion, this is the best ringtone ever. We'll get to it. Yeah, there's my signature. Dedicator. We'll go to that. Applications. Audio. Down here. Actually, notice, stored on my phone, my bad. Audio. Listen.
Lick my balls, suck my nuts, lick my nuts, suck my balls, lick my balls, suck my nuts, suck my nuts, lick my nuts, lick my balls, suck my balls, lick my nuts, eat my nuts, suck my nuts, lick my balls, suck my nuts, suck my nuts, lick my nuts, lick my nuts, lick my nuts, suck my balls, eat my balls, lick my.
There's one of them. I'll show you a couple more.
Excuse me, sir, but I'm afraid someone is endeavoring to contact you telephonically. Shall I tell them to fuck off?
Fuck nut, shit ass, dick licker, wank fuck, cunt fucker, shit wank fuck fucker. I'm Adam Hussein, wicked. Boy, come on. Fuck. Mother.
I just called to say fuck you. I just called to tell you to kiss my ass.
Oh, yes, I love crack. I'm absolutely cuckoo for crack. Ha! Oh, bitch, you got jacked, bitch. Dick?
Boobies.
So you're saying she does not have an alibi?
Well, no.
Okay, so we've established she ain't got no alibi. She ugly. U-G-L-Y. She ain't got no alibi. She ugly.
Screw off.
She's major ugly. Oh, she's fat and pugly. Oh, my God, no, the cow says moo. You know, Brian, if you like my poop going into your mouth, we can just do that.
Shut up, Stewie.
I'm going to kill you. I am going to kick your ass. Will you look at me? I have the power! Go! Take a fucking sock in it, you cow!
Is your phone in your pocket? I'm on vibrate. See? I'm vibrating because you got a text. Read it then. And you get her on the curd and gray Chicago moon, and that little baby child is born, and you get her, and then mama cries. Cause if it's one thing that she don't need, it's another bit of hungry mouth to feed, and the get her. Cartman, why, Cartman? I'll get him hot, show him what I got. I'll get him hot, show him what I got. Can't read my, no he can't read my poker face. She's got to love nobody. Can't read my, no he can't read my poker. You got another stupid ass message from another stupid ass person that you probably don't give a rat's ass about. You better get back with them quick though, because if you don't, they'll keep bugging you and bugging you and bugging you. They're never gonna leave your fucking ass alone. So go ahead and get back with them, but it is okay to send them a message to tell them to fuck off.
Lick my balls, suck my.
Oh, that's all. If you guys want me to send you this, just leave your number down. Leave a comment saying you want these, and leave your number in the bottom. I will. And this is AJ217062. So yeah, those were my favorite ringtones.